I was so surprised how loud this was. I think it's because I am on Mac wheels. So, I have a water bottle in here, and it's so loud that it's giving me vertigo. You gotta see this. I am so scared right now. I don't think you're gonna be able to hear me through the camera. It's so loud! I can't hear anything! I can't even hear the wind! There's no batteries, no lithium, no gas. That's crazy, my guys. Can we get a woohoo? This is absolute insanity. Hope you guys enjoy it. Please subscribe. That was a lot of fun, despite the vertigo I got, and this is insane. Bye-bye.